Hey everybody, it's Grim here today, and this is going to be the first of my modding tutorials. Somebody requested them, so I thought why not. And this first part will just be the basics. I know you've seen a lot of them, but I thought why not start. If people want to just follow mine, then I'll start from the beginning, and then we'll work our way up to more advanced stuff. And that's about it that I can think of. So we are going to start off with setting up your mod file and building your first item. So when you get Eclipse set up, which is what I'm going to be using through all these tutorials, I'm not really going to show you how to do everything because there's lots of tutorials out there and I don't really want to do that, like how to set up MCP with Eclipse and stuff. So let's just get right into it. So when you have your workspace set up, actually, one thing to note before I start, if you really want me to show you how to set up everything, put in the comments that you'd like that, and I'll make it just for you. So here we go. So when you're starting off, you will right click on here, because you're going to be making your first mod file, and we're just going to make it just mod loader. And then I might end up doing Forge, but I think I might just wait till the actual modding API comes out. But let's stop stalling and make your first class. Make sure you choose a class and type. Now you're going to type in mod underscore. That stuff has to be the same, and then you can type in anything, and we'll just type in this tutorial and click finish. And it should set up everything for you, and it's taking a long time because I'm recording. Don't mind any of these are from updating. Alright, so now we have this, and I'll full screen it so you guys can see better. So it's already set up, but to take on the abilities of mod loader, you're going to have to make it extend base mod. No, base mod. Wow. Extends. I'm rusty. What is going on? Alright, there we go. Now, to get everything that's needed for this to even work, you'll type in public void load. Put in those two little things. That. And public string get version. That. Dun-dun. You're going to add the return. Click that. Okay. Now in here is what, when it loads the mod, it will basically show you the version number. And for everything I do, I just type in this. Just it's easy, and then you know what version it is. And if I update it, then I'll just put 0.1. But here we go. Alright, so now to make our first item. Wow. No, shut up. Okay, that was my computer being stupid. Alright, so public static. Wow, what is going on? Static item. And then the name of your item, we'll just call this example. Actually, we'll just, oh my gosh. This is example. There we go. Now in here, we'll put example equals. This is just going to be a basic item, so we'll type in new item. This will be the ID number, so we'll put in like 147, a lot of numbers. And then you're going to need to set the item name, which will be, gosh dang it, dot set item name. I'm being horrible. Okay, so then we'll just name it example. Click that. And that should be set up. And now if you want to give it like, you're going to need to, so say example. Oh, no, what am I doing? So if you want to give it, what do you call it? I'm trying to think of the name. Like the texture for it, you'll type in example. Am I doing this right? I feel like I'm doing this wrong, but... Oh, here we go. Example dot icon index. Then you'll click equals mod loader dot add override. you'll do this. Let me just finish that off. And then you'll type in the first two parts, comma, and then it'll be actually okay. So it will override. It will be, I think it's GUI/item.png. And then you type in the new place that you'll find the icon. So we'll just type in like GFX. Oops, forgot to make sure you put your little things. Every little bracket, these things, every little thing is a new folder that it goes into. So this is base now in the graphics folder of your Minecraft.jar. And then we'll just type in example.png and make sure it's PNG or it won't work. And I think that's gonna be it for this simple item. I'm trying to think. I'm pretty sure that's it. If not, it will be added on the end. So I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye. Hey everybody, it's Grim again, and I forgot two things that I thought would be pretty helpful. Now here I'm going to show you how to set the item name. So it actually has a name when you use it in game. So we'll go add name, go like that. Now this variable 1 will be what the thing is, so it'll be our example item. And the thing over here, the string, this will be what it is in game, so we'll just call it example item. So then when you hover over it in game, it will read that. And one other thing, which is how to add recipes. So it'll be mod loader dot add recipe. Oops. Recipe. And oh my gosh. Alright, 1 second, just because this is the hardest thing to remember for me. So I'm gonna have to find it. Let's just do what is it? Let's do this mod. Alright, so right here. Dang it. Alright, so this will be what it is. Now, this is what it will look like, except for this and this. So then we'll name it example. And I think I did, wow. Never mind. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm having troubles with these tutorials. Alright, so then it will look like that. This is the name of the item that you're going to craft. This is how many things will craft, or you'll get when you craft it. And then this is the recipe. Now, you can use anything, so we'll just use our own. So we'll do like, where is it? We'll do a number and a thing and a number. And we'll do another little number, wow. We'll do a little done. Wow, what am I doing? Done. And for the final one, we will do done. Okay, so now I'll show you how this all works. So, if we want, so first of all, you put in your little symbol. So every number sign, I think that's what it's called, we'll take on we'll just make it item.redstone. So now every number sign in the crafting box will be a piece of redstone that you'll use for the recipe. And then if you want to make a new one, you put a comma, character dot value of, and then you put in not a print, no, I forgot what it's called. And then you do this, another comma, and then you put in your other thing. So we'll do like block dot, let's just do, how about block dot, we'll do block dot grass. And that's it. But say you only want it, so you say you want it to fit in your 2x2 thing when you just open your inventory. So we can go like this. if we delete this, so now you can use just the 2 top rows, but if we wanted to fit in the 2x2 inventory, we do something like that. And now there's only 2 spaces, there's 4 spaces total, which is exactly like our inventory, and every one down is another row. So let me show you this again. So we'll do like, what is it? Alright. Oops. Alright. So this would be the top row, middle, bottom, and that'd be how you make your recipe. And I'm pretty sorry, I burped. And I'm pretty sure that is it. And next time we will be making a block, and I think we might do one other thing like how to use mod loader prop so that you can have a config so that you can change the IDs. But I think that's it for today, so I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.